So if I would have a loving desire to do something, I suppress it, would you say like I have developed in some aspect of love but not in others? So I have some love in me, but or I just can't, like we were talking about before, the people have some love in them. I'm not sure. So I'm not sure.
I'm still not sure what.
Are you asking if I have a loving desire but I don't act on it? Do I have love in me, or have I developed some love?
Yes.
Is that the question?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. Well, brutal truth, shall we?
No such thing.
No such thing. All truth is very good for you. Let's look at that. If I have, let's say in my soul, so here's me, in my soul, my feelings, I have a sort of a, let's say, that much love. Right? That's a good thing, isn't it? Because having less than that would be worse. Yeah. So that's a good thing if I got that much love, isn't it? At least I got some love. Right? Now, if I choose to deny the expression of it, can you see I'm putting something quite dangerous on top of the love? Fear. So let's say the green was love. And it's interesting to draw it green because love is always about go. Like it's like whenever you love something, you're very motivated to go and do. You go to take action, to do a positive thing in harmony with the love you feel, right? Fear is about stop, right? So fear is stop, suppress, don't do it. Something bad will happen, right? Now, the only reason why, if I had some spark of love inside of me and I don't express it, the only reason why I would do that is because I'm afraid, isn't it? Now, can you see that if I deal with the fear emotionally and let it go, but still act in love, still act in harmony with the love that I feel, then that's going to help me a lot. But if I choose to let the fear dominate my choice, it now looks like the love doesn't exist. Isn't that true? From all external experiences, I now am not doing the very thing I love or would love to do. Right? So my fear is now dominating my choice. It's dominating to the point that it makes it look like the love doesn't exist. Even though it may exist, it's making it look like it doesn't. Now, there are laws that respond to what is inside of you, and there's also laws about what you choose to do with what's inside of you. So one group of laws just work on what's inside of you, and then one group of laws work on what you do with what's inside of you. In other words, the actions you take based on what's inside of you. So I can have fear inside of me, but choose to not listen to it. Or I can have love inside of me and choose to not listen to it. Or I can have both love and fear inside of me and choose to let the fear dominate the love. And the results of what I do will be measured by the law. So obviously, if I just let the love out and just express it in its full passion without the fear dominating me, that's going to have a powerful effect, isn't it? Even if it's that amount of love. It's going to have a powerful effect if I let it out, if I express it, if I voice it, feel it, act upon it, let it drive my will into action. It's going to have a powerful effect on anyone around me. So let's say, I love Mary, but I'm afraid that she's going to feel like reject me. She's not going to want me. That she probably doesn't like things about me, I'm 60. Why would anybody like me now? When I was 30, I looked a lot better. So I might worry about that, right? So I worry about that. And now I'm letting the fear dominate my feelings, right? And so I'm letting the fear dominate love. And what am I going to do? I'm possibly not going to act. Now, she doesn't know that all this is going on inside of me, and unless she's very sensitive, she won't know. Right? Now, of course, she can get to the stage where she is sensitive, but let's say she's not. So she doesn't know that I love her. And I've loved her for years, and let's say we've known each other for 10 years, and I've never said to her, I love her. Right? This happens, happens. And I think about her all the time, and I've thought about her all the time for 10 years, and I would love to be with her, but my fear is stopping my expression of love. Can you see I've disabled her from even making a choice? She doesn't even know that I love her. Right? She doesn't even know that I care about her. She doesn't even know that. But if I loved and my fear wasn't dominating me, surely I'd just go up and say, Mary, I've loved you for 10 years. Now, I know you don't have to make any choice and decisions about that, but I wanted you to know. I've loved you for 10 years. I would love to spend the rest of my life with you. Right? Now, she might say no, and then what might I have to feel?
Sad.
For 10 years. Like I might have tears to feel and sadness to feel. Can you see my fear is saying, what if I might have sadness? Well, that would be bad. So, but the opposite is also true. She might say, I've loved you for the last 5 as well. And none of us have been willing to even say it. Right? And so she may react completely differently. I don't know. Right? And most of us are not that sensitive to know. So in the process of expressing my love, I have enabled opportunity.
For me and you.
For both of us. In the process of suppressing my love with fear, I have disabled opportunity for both of us. Right? Can you see fear now became my dominating decision-making process? And why was I afraid? I was afraid of some future feeling. The potential of a future feeling, even. Wasn't I? The potential that I might be sad. So I'm afraid of a future feeling that I'm not even really having now. And yet I'm afraid of it. If you think about it, it makes no logical sense to do this. But our emotions of fear are not logical. In fact, fear is false appearing real, right? It's falsehood appearing like it's true. And what's truth? Truth is logical. Falsehood is illogical, right? And yet, in our heart, in our feelings, when we encounter fear, it's like we're encountering the end of the world. And it stops us from taking positive actions. So it's a huge impediment to love, fear is. So can you see, even the small little bit of love, while it's good, so the question was, there's all this feeling in me, but I don't do anything with it, right? What is the net result? The net result is it's like you're not having it at all. And that's the danger. You need to learn to act upon positive emotion. Always act upon. Always act upon. Never stop it. Ever. 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 Ever.